Look at that big old thing. God. Oh, fuck, I like that 70 style Ford. That thing is sick. Love it. So we drove all the way to LACEY's. We're gonna go film some shit here at LACEY's, I guess. We're gonna hang out for the day and see what's going on. Oh, she can only open up one side of the gate. Wrap Hummer on bloggers and like everything powder coated. What do you think about it?
Not bad. It's still a gassy though.
Oh, 12 valve swap it? Might as well. What in tarnation? That thing's freaking huge. Oh my god, there's another one back here. Look at these tires. Look at these old, oh my god, these are huge. This is what I need in my life. I've got one of those in my shop. So much powder coat. Any level, any level.
2 of them?
I need 2 of them.
2 of them.
And then like 16 of them outside. Look at all these switches. It's like that's worse than your Corvette.
Yeah, actually, there's like, I don't even know how to drive.
It's just a safety feature. That's the alarm
Fuel
system.
pump number 2, just in case.
Eject those Cetos.
Water pump, lights, and vacuum. That's what that says. The boost gauge only goes to 60 though. Oh, there's 3 of them.
Oh.
CJ, you have to sit on the roof. There's no back seats.
Right.
The roof.
Yeah, we'll just
sit on the hood.
We got straps.
We'll ratchet strap you down. You'll sit like this, and then we'll go
Okay.
do passes on the track.
What do you think, CJ? Need one?
Great idea.
What?
The satin pearl white.
Do you think I should wrap
I
the fits
thought
on that?
about that like a long time ago, but
I actually,
He was the first one that thought of it ever.
yeah, he was.
Who?
Always getting that.
I was.
You
Yes.
invented it.
I did.
And then I told him it was stupid.
My name is on that wrap.
You said you liked that. I said it was stupid, and now I'm gonna do it.
I know.
That's
You
not
told
what
me it
I
was
did.
stupid.
I did.
So he just stole my idea.
Pretty much, yeah.
He's giving me $1 million for the idea, though.
Yeah, am I?
What? I
What?
thought you already gave it to me.
Huh?
Oh, I've been spending in imaginary money this whole time. Shit. Out of all of these, any level trucks, this is my favorite. If I had to pick one truck to take home, it'd be this one. This is my baby. This is like what I want. My Renegade. Imagine me buying another Renegade, lifting it, and putting it on the bed of this.
Like a 4-wheeler?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody stole it out of his driveway.
Oh, that's so.
Damn, that bitch Judy, boy.
Just a wee bit.
Bro. Actually, this is my favorite part about it.
Is it rough?
The little bumper. It's like a little fusion bumper and a custom grill. Actually, it's kind of sick.
It is actually.
It's my favorite thing about it. Yeah, it's tiny.
Tiny, like her.
And you.
Yeah.
Bro, that did a number. Holy crap. Little boop. It's broken. The nipples are still on these tires. That means that she didn't even drive it for more than 3 minutes before she wrecked it.
I never. What are you doing?
DJing. DJ CJ.
DJ
What?
CJ.
What?
What?
That's
what
my
does-
new Instagram
Hey,
handle.
what does CJ stand for?
CJ?
It doesn't stand for like Corey Jones.
No, it doesn't stand for anything. You know this. Why are you're hitting a button right now and you know it. I hate that. It doesn't stand for anything.
Yeah. What should his name stand for?
Charles Johnson.
Charles Johnson. Hello, Charles Johnson.
Charles Johnson.
That's your new name now.
More like
Nope. Everybody
Cool Johnson.
go to his everything and call him Charles Johnson from now
No,
on.
please don't.
Yep, you fucked up.
Charles
It's her fault.
Think she's gonna break it?
I hope. Yep, she's already having too much fun.
Hit the tree. Come on, do something fun.
Yeah, nice. That was actually really good.
I'm impressed.
I didn't want to stop, but I'm like, better. Our cleaning ladies in the front yard are like,
The rubber smoking.
Oh, there's no time. It's gone.
Look at the hole. That is awesome.
There's a pool. You wanted an in-ground pool, right?
No, I don't think you understand. All she did was just retread it. See how she she regrooved it for you.
That's have good traction.
Custom regrooved Lacey tires.
You literally regrooved my tires.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
you retreaded them.
Thank you. They were drag slicks before, and now they have tread.
was it on fire?
Oh yeah, you literally set the ground on fire.
Nice.
Pretty amazing.
I have that effect.
Good job.
This never happened.
Yeah, this never happened. Is that
What?
what you're talking about? We just.
When did that
I don't know when
happen?
that happened.
Is that my cuticle?
There's no hole here.
There's no
We just had to bury a cat.
There's no nothing. Yeah, the neighbor's cat died.
That's decent. Yeah, so much for keeping it clean, Gabe. Wait. Good as new.
She did good. The trans stuff is only at 300.
Why is there a light like grown into the tree? I'm so confused. Does this thing have power? Does it have power?
Lacey, does your tree have power?
Lacey, does that tree have power?
Potentially.
Wow.
Used to.
When they say go green, they really mean environmental friendly over here. Holy shit.
We heart the EPA.
Do you?
Yeah. No. Yes. Yes.
There are actually many tires.
This. What?
Yeah.
Oh my god, we should just bolt them up.
What lug pattern are they?
1, 2, 3, 4.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4.
8 by
4 plus 4 is
8 by 7.
20.
Huh? Lacey! What
And then
lug
we'll-
pattern are these?
We'll,
8 by 6.
5. Just 5.
Just 5?
Just 5.
but there's 8 holes.
It's 5.
5.
Oh, it's 8 minus 3. You don't use 3 of those holes.
Yeah.
So it's 5.
Well, the studs are
You
off
wouldn't
anyway,
know.
so it's okay. You can only put 5 anyway. That's all that's there.
Do a burnout. What in
No, I'm pretty.
what in tarnation?
I'm black. You don't have a choice.
Yeehaw. Okay,
What in the cousin fucking's going on over here? Oh,
Who ain't the
you
penny
lost your band.
Oh, you raggedy bitch.
You can have it now. You already broke it.
Oh my god.
There's just a bunch of
How do you break it? All
I
right.
pulled the Chick-Fil-A like, wait, this is backwards.
Can I get a chicken slider?
Can I get number 2? No pickles. And
No
waffle
pick.
fries. And
For
one of them
free?
sweet tea drinks.
Extra sweet.
Extra. Oh, I got a waffle fry. I won't be able to afford if I don't record it. I ain't gonna be able to afford no Chick-Fil-A.
You like to see homos naked? What?
I forgot my wallet in the truck. I'm gonna get it. I sound like
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! There's a snake. And the pink hat.
I forgot my wallet. Didn't feel like walking, so I drove her over here.
We're gonna get a cold start on this.
I don't see the tip. Oh, I found the tip. I found the tip. God damn motherfucker, that's some bitch.
Prepare yourself. It's live one. That was next.
Headphone users, I'm giving you a warning right now. It's so... Oh! Ah! It's so loud. Get in the Hummer right now. Damn it.
I'm getting in the Hummer, son of boy.
Some bitch, just hop in there.
Oh my god.
You done fucked up your hat, old Bilsker. This one's easier to get in.
It's so hard to get.
You want me to move my truck?
I'm not gonna hit. Yeah, make sure I don't hit your truck.
You want me to
Make
move
sure
it?
I hit your truck.
I'm gonna move it. I'll move it. I'm a nice guy.
Hit truck.
bro. That 7-Eleven is sick. Nice 7-Eleven, bud. What's the measurements on this here old rig here?
She's about negative 200.
Okay, she'll fit.
It's 9 foot.
See you later. Miss you. Gonna be insane. This whole parking lot's not gonna be this tan color anymore. It's gonna be like
black.
It's gonna be like
rubber.
Holiday Inn Street.
Facts.
There's like a 70% chance we get spotlighted by a helicopter.
If we get so many trucks here that it's unshuttable downable,
That's a word.
unshuttable downable. I'm gonna stick with it. Yep.
Unshut downable.
If there's 5,000 trucks here, they can't really shut it down because like it's like when the Nazis took the Jews. Like they're
What?
Wow.
put that back.
What the fuck?
If we get so many people here that the cops can't tell us, like we'll just look at them and be like, okay, what are you gonna do? Arrest us?
Arrest all 10,000
Yeah,
of
let's
us?
just get every cop in Texas real quick, and you might have half as much as this meat.
Here they come.
LACEY Blair, they're asking.